Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Teeth Diary, your go-to place for all things oral health. Today, we'll be diving into a very important topic. It's something we all do every day, but might not think so much about: oral hygiene. Trust me, it's way more than just teeth brushing. What is oral hygiene? Let us start from the basics. Oral hygiene is simply keeping your mouth clean and healthy. It's nothing more, nothing less. Your teeth, your gums, your tongue, and the roof of your mouth. It is just a daily habit of brushing, flossing, rinsing, and visiting your dentist every 6 months. Just imagine it this way. When your mouth, which is the door to your whole body, is not clean, I don't think that the entirety of your body would be great. Let's bring it back home. If the door to your house or the door to your apartment is very dirty, filled with all manner of dirt, mud, and someone comes in from the outside, what do you think will happen? The person will march on the dirt, on the mud, and the person's shoes will trap all of them into your house. That is just the same thing with your body and your mouth. Why does oral hygiene matter? Oral hygiene is very, very important to everybody, no exception. To children, adults, older ones, oral hygiene is really important. Oral hygiene promotes self-confidence and self-esteem. Just imagine you forgot to brush last night and this morning again you didn't brush and you just left the house that way. What will happen? You will be less confident. You will talk, but not with confidence. You will smile, but not with boldness. You will even be thinking that someone beside you is perceiving the bad breath from your mouth, even when the person might not be perceiving anything. That is how important oral hygiene is. Secondly, research has it that there are links between poor oral hygiene and systemic conditions like diabetes, heart diseases, and even some complications in pregnancy. Good oral hygiene, will also promote gum health. When you don't brush your teeth, when you don't keep your mouth clean, what happens? You start having gum diseases, and they can lead to bad breath, bleeding gums, and even tooth loss. Coming to plaque. Plaque is a thin film of bacteria that loves to feed on sugar. When you don't clean your mouth, what happens? They feed on those sugar, they defecate in your mouth, and what happens? That is how caries, holes on the teeth, that is how they develop. That being said, we have common oral hygiene mistakes that we all make. Every one of us at some point may have made these mistakes. Number one, brushing too hard or too fast. Number two, using the wrong toothbrush. Number three, using the wrong toothpaste. Number four, not flossing at all. Number five, not visiting your dentist. You only visit your dentist only when there is a hurt, only when you feel that you have pains in your teeth, on your teeth or in your mouth. That is the only time you visit your dentist. Moving forward, let's talk about building a routine. I have a routine that you have to build to help your oral health. I'll give you just 6, and they are: 1, brushing your teeth 2 times daily, morning and last thing before you go to bed. Number 2, brushing your teeth with fluoride toothpaste to help protect and to help strengthen your enamel. Number 4, flossing. You see what I'm doing? Flossing this is not entering. But you floss in between your teeth to do what? To remove all the food particles that may have already trapped while you were eating and chewing, trapped in between your teeth. You floss to take them out. Number 5, visiting your dentist at least 2 times in a year. And number 6, eating a healthy diet. Avoid sugary drinks, sugary, everything sugary, chocolate, sweets, and all that. Oral hygiene cultures. Oral health is not being talked about much in so many communities. A visit to the dentist is often reactive, not proactive, but we are changing the narratives. Empowering women, parents, young ones to take their oral health in their hands is part of our mission here in the Teeth Diary. Because when we know better, we do better. Oral hygiene is not just about teeth, it's about your total well being. It's about showing up for yourself, showing up for your children, showing up for your community with confidence and care. So, whether you're brushing with your little one, you're flossing while you're watching Netflix, or whatever you are doing, or you have booked that appointment with the dentist, just know that you are investing in your smile, investing in your future, and your future mouth will thank you. Thank you so much for sticking by my channel all through this video. If this video made you have a rethink about your oral hygiene, please do give it a thumbs up and remember to share with your loved one. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you will always get notification when a new video drops. Thank you so very much. Keep smiling, keep brushing. I am your one and only, the Teeth Diary, your go-to place for oral health. Thank you. Bye.